gonna be a short unboxing video of my GoPro Hero 8. I already opened the rechargeable batteries, but yeah, so I just wanted to do a little unboxing video, and maybe talk about it for a little bit, and then the second part of the video will just be using it tomorrow on a ski trip. So yeah, let's get to it. So I opened it, I took it out of its package. I really like that it comes with its own carrying case, and I was reading the box again. So it has a hyper smooth 2.0 stabilization inside, 12 MP, streams in 4K. Oh, sorry, 4K 60. Should look up what most of these mean, but and it's waterproof up to 33 feet and 1080p live streaming. Frankie might make an appearance. But yeah, so everything that it comes with, of course, the camera, battery, a little adjustment things that you can add to a helmet or anything of the sort, the card, the battery, little charging thing, and then of course the case. So I haven't opened it yet. But there it is. Very pretty. Comes with instructions, the charging cord, another little battery, and these are the adjustments that I was talking about for your camera. But yeah, I'm going to test it out tomorrow, and I will include that in the second part of the video. But yeah, thank you for watching so far, and then stay tuned for the second part, which is going to be using it on my dad's ski helmet. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so here is the camera. It has the protective films on, and these little two things at the bottom for like little add-ons to hold it to helmets or anything else you may have. A screen protector on here. I don't know if I can open it with one hand, but this part right here comes open, and I will do that now and then restart the video. So this part right here kind of wraps around, so it is like a really tight fit, which at first I was worried I broke it, but I didn't break it. This part can come off because that is where, don't know if you can see the blue, but that is where the SD card goes, and then obviously the battery. So yeah, it's okay if it comes off. It's on a little hinge. But yeah, so I'm going to charge it up and see how it works, and I will turn it on tomorrow for the trip. And yeah, I'm excited to use it and film some skiing with it.